Good morning everyone. Today we are going to check the nature of the non-metal oxide. So for that we have this sulfur powder and this deflagrated spoon and a spirit lamp. For this, first we have to put some sulfur powder into the deflagrated spoon. Now we are going to burn this sulfur powder with the help of spirit lamp.
Enough.
Now after this we have to Now we are going to burn this sulfur powder with the help of spirit lamp.
Enough.
Now after this we have to put it into a glass jar, the gas jar. As you can see, it is releasing the gas. Now we are going to pour some water into the smoke. Now we are going to put it over a while and mix it well. This is gas jar. Now we are going to pour the liquid into the tray.
For what purpose? For checking.
The acid and basic nature, whether the substance is acidic or basic. For this we have litmus paper, the blue litmus paper. This is red litmus paper. Now we are going to
Red first.
Now we are going to put the red litmus paper into the liquid.
Show
As you can
that.
see, there is no changes. Now we are going to put this blue litmus paper into the liquid. As you can see, it changes its color into red litmus. It means it's an acid. It means that the sulfur powder is a non-metal and it is acidic in nature. Thank you.